Hello and welcome back. I'm Kory, the art archaeologist. So today I've got a couple really nice, fun eco dye kits to share with you. I've got Early Rain and Blue Grunge. This here is from the plant itself, so I get a lot of yellows and blacks, especially out of the plants in my area. And, give this a shot and you will be amazed at the colors that you can get off of your botanicals. Let's go ahead and start with this Early Rain kit, and I'm just going to do what I always do and play a little bit of music and flip through this so that you can see them all. Here we go. The reason I love eco dyeing so much is that every kit is different, and and there are so many variables, and it is literally like being a mad scientist doing this art form because you get so many different outcomes. Now, I wanted to point this out, and this happens quite often in eco dyeing when you're using dyes. And what happens here is that this page, I put the dye on, and then these botanicals were already on the page underneath, so I put dye all over this page along with spraying it with alum water, and then you flip it over and you push it down onto your stack, right? And then the reason this is so light is because of gravity. Gravity is literally pulling the dye down away from the page. So that's what's happening there, and you will run into that using the RIT dyes or any other dye really. And of course, the other really cool thing that I talk about a lot of the time is the mirror image. So this is always really fun because you're getting the vein side of the leaf on this side, and then this is the top side. So you end up getting, you get a mirror image, but you get a different print, and it's really apparent in the aspen leaves especially. So the neat thing about this is I showed back in the Rust Water Eco Dye Kit that I had used a feather with some orange dye from a previous eco dye on that one, and it transferred the orange dye onto the paper, so that was especially neat. Now this feather did not have any dye on it when I put it into this kit, but it had gotten wet and really wispy, and so this is all over the place, and I love that too. But it just goes to show that, you know, it's hard to use the leaves more than once because a lot of the species really fall apart so in the cooking process, and it's just kind of a done deal. But I always spread these around outside so that they can nourish the ground, and there's not enough dye on them to make it a horrible thing, you know what I'm saying? So, but the feathers I hang on to and use again and again, so you can do that. So I wanted to point that out to you, and I hope you enjoyed these two kits. And just to let you know, I'm going to be running a lot of sales. It is November right now, the beginning of November, and I'm going to be running a lot of sales, and I will announce all of the sales that I have as they come up right here on my channel, and I'll give you plenty of time so that you can get the heads up and then maybe go pick up a few of these kits if you wish. So thanks for stopping by, and hit that like and subscribe for me, and I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.